What's up, everyone? This is another dragon fruit video, and this one the thorns on the sugar dragon seem more apparent, like they seem more round and they seem more thick versus the other dragon fruit varieties. This one has taken a bit to produce, or not to produce, but to get new growth. But the same method here, worm castings, C90, mycorrhiza. Mix it all in with some cactus mix, some perlite. Everything here is organic. This right here is hemp mulch. I've been using this. Not very economical, but I like it way better than your wood chips, like right here. But use some kind of mulch for the top layer. Definitely does help. Oh, I'm gonna get some new growth right here. Wonderful. So this is the sugar dragon variety, and with this ratio, mix ratio, soil ratio, I mean, it's pretty hard to kill dragon fruit. Give it the right elements, the right soil conditions, the right weather. I'm over here actually in Southern California, so this should work for anyone that's living around here. This is just an experiment. I'm just putting it hemp mulch to see. I've been using it for the past couple of months, and it doesn't seem to hurt the plant or the cacti. Well, anyways, this is the sugar dragon, and the burlap I put. Just another experiment, I got the twine, make it easier for it to root itself, but I don't think it makes a difference. This is a tire wheel right here. It does get hot in the summer, so I ended up putting the burlap around the tire wheel, bicycle wheel, that is. So this is rebar. See if you can see that. Come on, focus. This is rebar, so I put burlap around the rebar and the tire wheel, because when it does get hot, it gets hot and it will burn some of the dragon fruit. And that's what I do. Put the burlap. It's nothing new. You can look it up on YouTube. It works in my other setup at home. Yeah, I've used it too, and it does okay. Got a little snail here. So that's this setup. And that's about a 15-gallon. It's just try to find the biggest container that you can get. Because what will happen, dragon fruit will produce aerial roots, go around the redwood. Oh, this, by the way, this is a redwood post. Go with redwood, or you can go with cement. I just went with redwood. So you're gonna have the aerial roots going up, going down, going back into the soil. And once your dragon fruit is established, you want to be very, very careful, because there are surface roots, and those aerial roots will go back into the soil, spread, and they'll just spread. So try to get the biggest container. That's probably one thing that I would have done differently. Just get a bigger container. I mean, these are already big enough, but I think it would be good enough for now. So, but Till next time, I'll see everyone later. This is the Sugar Dragon variety, which does pretty well with the American Beauty and Physical Graffiti, I believe. The American Beauty is that one right there, so I planted them real close together so you can... This one, the Sugar Dragon, is, believe you don't have to hand pollinate. I'll do another video, I gotta look that one up. Hey, thanks for tuning in. And that was a video about your soil, what you can put in your dragon fruit video, or container, excuse me. Alright, till next time, thanks for watching. See ya.